Hello, it's Dr. Abstract here at Zim, and I'd like to give a shout out to James at ICT Games. He's made so many e-learning apps for kids. This isn't all of them, but he's put them on the Instagram, ICT Games, and each one he does a wonderful little summary on his tablet with his pen and his great accent. Well, we all have accents to some others, I guess. And these are just amazing. So very creative use of Zim, which is JavaScript on the canvas. Zim's library to code creativity. Woohoo! And certainly it's been done here. Look at all these. And so come on in. ICT Games on Instagram or ICT Games. You can find that as well. And he's got a whole site of these games. Oh my word. Can you believe it? So super to see Zim being used. All these are made with, well, first of all, James' creativity, but the Zim canvas components and various features of Zim. So we have many features in Zim, and it's wonderful to see them being used here. All right, ICT Games. Have a follow, check them out, and pass on the word. Zim is at zimjs.com, right here, and it's a framework to code creativity. I'm Dr. Abstract. It's great for making generative art, games, e-learning apps. Matter of fact, in the e-learning apps, we put James's work in there as well, so there's a link to it, amongst others. All right, so come on in to Zim. Check it out. It's great to learn code. There's a nice editor, and it's great for making e-learning apps and these other things as well. Cheers.